what's going on? Here, not much. This is a tool review because I like buying tools. I like using them occasionally. I don't usually talk as much. I usually do more work. But when you gotta make videos, you gotta say something. I don't like those faceless videos. Anyway, I went to Harbor Freight again. Harbor Freight again. And I should have did a video on the Harbor Freight wheel I picked up for the little wagon. We bought 2 of them. But anyway, that's another point. Went to Harbor Freight, picked up this. What is it? It's radiator hose pinch-off pliers. But they're locking pliers. See the resemblance? This brand, see, they look same back end there. Anyway, they look kind of like Visegrips. Well, anyway, look, I could use these. Pittsburgh, they're 2 1/4 inches, and they have a bunch of words on the back. If you want to read that, a bunch of words on the front. You can see the whole product here. Hit pause. You can look at it. Here's the back side. Here's the front side. Dumb. So anyway, with no further ado, I will attempt to open this. Why did I buy this? Because I'm the locking plier guru who likes locking pliers. That's why. Anyway, what do you do with this? You pinch hoses. That's pretty much it. See, the thing I automatically like about this is sometime in the next 100 years, they stamp their name in here. So if this thing lasts 100 years, we're going to be like, those are those cheap pieces of shit they sold at Harbor Freight. That's what people are going to say. Remember those cheap pliers? But they lasted a while. They're, honestly, they just feel like regular pliers. They'll probably do the job fine. They line up fine. I mean, it's pliers. It's just, they're hose pinchers. I have the, what do you call it? The Peterson pinch-off pliers. These have a little grippy thing here. There's no number on it. It's just Pittsburgh Automotive. Looks like a giant. It looks like a dog's nose in the front. Rawr, nom, nom, nom. Just can't say much about them. They are pretty pinchy. They're not badly. I think they were like $6. I don't know. I don't remember. I neglected. See, the only thing I find these coatings are getting slipperier. Like, is it just me? Am I the only person who thinks that these are like somebody older? Let's see. The older Peterson pliers had a finish on them. Is this one? See, like this. That's, maybe I'm wrong. I don't know. Maybe it was the rusty ones that had it. Like, they just, oh, this feels a bit smoother than this one. Like, this had like a grittiness. This just has, I don't know, some like, oh, I'll make the similar coating. And the color is different, but besides the burnt part at the top. But yeah, if you want just cheap pinch pliers, pretty good. I could definitely use this on the bikes when I take the tanks off. I can pinch my nose. See? Oh, there we go. I go to my son, go honk honk on his nose. Pinch him with this. I'm guessing you could use this as a welding clamp. Clamp some things down. I mean, who knows? So, with that said, that is a Pittsburgh pinch pliers. What was that? Radiator hose pinch-off pliers. But you can definitely use this to clamp sheet metal. You can squeeze shit with it. It's just because it's got a long edge, so you want to clamp something in there, just hold it. You could probably weld them to a board and use them as a note holder. You just click. You can use them as nipple clamps if you want. I wouldn't recommend it because if you got flapjacks or that wide, you can, I don't think you can remove teeth with this. You can also do one thing that a lot of people do is you can cut this off and modify it, put a flat plate in there and weld something else on it, because there's no limit to what your imagination can or can't do. So there you go. Thanks for watching. This is what you watched. And actually I should put my opinion. Honestly, they're cheap pliers. They're actually, like I said, the companies that make these cheap things are actually getting pretty good at making cheap pliers. They're getting good at making decent quality. If you're welding, you'll burn them up by cheap ones. You just, if you want to buy a pair of these and you don't want to pay $22 for a genuine Peterson one, and there's a Harbor Freight in your area, so what? All of these things at Harbor Freight are actually really good quality. They're one of the few things that, if I had a welding shop, I'd buy Harbor Freight block and pliers. If I had any kind of shop and I needed 20 pairs of these things, people lose them. Because in the end, it's just going to pinch a hose. So like the pinch out pliers that sell for $20 to $50 on Amazon, like what's the difference? $20 or like they're $6.99, under $10. It's more money in your pocket. So thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and tell me how you like it.